Hello, so this is just explore the interface of HP InforSight for Nimble storage. Okay, so we understand Nimble storage is a SAN storage used by a lot of enterprise, and this storage has the cloud portal, so you can view the information over the cloud from anywhere. So yeah, once you log into the HP InforSight portal page, you will have this interface. So basically you have dashboard, infrastructure. Dashboard basically give you the overview of what you have and what's the current status. This one, performance bar, give you idea how the IPOS. Okay, and we can see this one has the higher, this one lower, and system hardware healthy protection, 75% protected. Okay, here is the top VM's performance. Give you a couple ranking for the VM, and go next to the executive. You can see how's the total space and space saving capacity used. There's a 1.43 reduction. Okay, 85. So operation efficiency, you can see here. There's some. Okay, the case. It's talking about the case. Okay, data protection, 1 day, 1 week, others unscheduled. Okay, local snapshots. Upgrade needs. Okay, so it's telling you the version, cache capacity. Okay, and let's go to the awareness. So this is more like talking about the ticket. Okay, urgent ticket array, pool volumes, daily summary email, config rule, management tenants window, and this are all the ticket. So if there any event happening in the array, it was sent to InforSight, the portal. Okay, capacity. Capacity is talking about the space, and you have these all poles. You have 2 poles in total space, and this is the changed over 1 month, over 3 months. So how do we use the space? And you have these, how much percentage you used. Applications, you have virtual server, application volumes. This is your volumes. Okay, and then there's a lab. Lab is experiment the next generation InfoSight. So if we go to infrastructure, it's more like look inside each of the poles and arrays. So it's and the volumes, multiple volumes, and all the usage of the volumes, name. Okay, and the protection level. Okay, space, performance. So all those performance, protection. How's it protect the local snapshot? Okay. And let's go back to poles. What if we choose any poles? Okay, we can look more detail on each individual SAN. Okay, performance. Capacity, and the estimate capacity needed. Performance, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. Okay, you can see those. Read, latency. Okay. What else we want to see? If we click the volume, you can see the detail of the volume. Okay. Volume, each volume information. Virtualization. Let's take data centers. This is talking about the virtual servers. Okay. Cluster. How many cluster you have? Yes, it's nice host. Why there's only one host? Interesting. This is a
And because on the automatic, there's a well, I guess
data store. Data store should be okay. We have those data stores. Data store list goes here. VMs. We have those VMs. Property will choose. Interesting. Only one data center is listed. Okay, anyway, that's the infrastructure resource. Resource is more like a support.
Yeah, so basically I know that I can know with this series.
Okay, all the cases, my cases, documentation, software, download. Okay, this is the compatibility check. You can check the compatibility between the SAN storage and the current operating system. Okay, this is the whole idea of the InforSight web portal. Basically, most likely, it's like a more information portal. There's no configuration ability from the portal. So, in my next video, I will show you the configuration web portal from the local address of the Nimble storage. Okay, thanks.